Imagine something so powerful that not even light can escape it. A force so extreme it bends time itself. We call them black holes, but what really happens if you fall inside? The answer might shock you. Stay until the end to find out. Black holes are regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not light, not matter, can escape. They form when a massive star collapses under its own gravity, creating an invisible trap in space. But don't be fooled by the name. Black holes aren't empty voids. They're packed with incredible energy and mystery. The edge of a black hole is called the event horizon. Cross this boundary, and there's no turning back. Once inside, space itself warps beyond recognition. Time slows down. From the outside, an observer would see you freeze in place. Forever. But what if you actually fall in? The answer is terrifying. You'd experience spaghettification. The gravity near a black hole is so extreme that your head would be pulled faster than your feet, stretching you into a thin strand of atoms. Not exactly a fun ride. But here's where things get really strange. What's inside a black hole? Scientists have theories, but no one truly knows. Could it be a gateway to another universe? A path through time itself? Or does everything simply cease to exist? The truth is, we may never know. Black holes erase all information about what falls in. They hold the ultimate cosmic secret. But one thing's for sure. Black holes are the most powerful, mind-bending objects in the universe, and the more we learn, the more they surprise us. Thanks for joining this journey into the unknown. What do you think is inside a black hole? Let us know in the comments. This outstanding video was crafted by VidWiz. Want your own exciting videos for fun or profit? Click the link in the description to get started today.